Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Cultivate charm. Shabby chic garden design ideas. Escape to a romantic, time-worn paradise with a shabby chic garden. This beloved style celebrates the beauty of imperfection, blending soft, faded colors, natural textures, and vintage finds to create a space that feels both nostalgic and effortlessly elegant. It's a garden that whispers stories of the past, inviting you to relax and dream. Forget formal symmetry and pristine perfection. Here, a little weathering is a welcome asset. The goal is to craft a serene, feminine oasis that feels lovingly curated over time. Let's explore some key ideas to bring this enchanting style to your own outdoor sanctuary. The foundation of any shabby chic space is its gentle, dreamy color scheme. Think of hues that look as if they have been softened by the sun and washed by the rain over many years. Opt for a base of creamy whites, buttery ivories, and very pale, dusty shades of lavender, mint green, and powder blue. These colors should appear on fences, trellises, furniture, and even plant pots to create a cohesive and calming backdrop. Avoid bold, bright colors, as they can disrupt the serene and romantic atmosphere. The overall effect should be like a faded, beautiful watercolor painting come to life in your garden. The soul of a shabby chic garden lies in its unique, often rescued, decorative pieces. Hunt for vintage treasures like an ornate, wrought iron bench with a chipped paint finish, or a wooden ladder repurposed as a plant stand. Don't be afraid to give old items a new lease on life. A simple wooden chair can be painted and distressed to fit the theme perfectly. Other wonderful additions include antique terracotta pots, rusty watering cans overflowing with blooms, and weathered garden tools hung on a wall. These elements add layers of history and personality that new, mass-produced items simply cannot replicate. Each piece tells a story, making your garden feel deeply personal and charmingly eclectic. The planting style should be lush, soft, and wonderfully romantic, mimicking the look of an old-fashioned cottage garden. Focus on flowers that are rich in texture and have a loose, informal growth habit, such as billowing roses, delicate cosmos, and airy gypsophila. Climbing plants like clematis and jasmine are essential for draping over arches and fences, adding vertical interest and a beautiful sense of abundance. Prioritize plants in keeping with your color palette, including plenty of white, soft pink, and pale lavender blooms. Allow plants to spill gently over pathways and mingle together naturally, avoiding rigid, formal arrangements. This creates a sense of gentle, uncontrolled beauty that is key to the shabby chic aesthetic. A shabby chic garden is designed for lingering, so comfortable and inviting seating areas are a must. Choose furniture that looks soft and welcoming, such as a wrought iron bistro set with floral print cushions, or a weathered wooden bench piled with plump, comfortable pillows. Layer in textiles to enhance the cozy feel. Think outdoor rugs, throws, and cushion covers in floral patterns, stripes, or checks. An old wooden crate, can serve as a perfect side table for a cup of tea and a book. The idea is to create intimate nooks that feel like an extension of your home's living space. This encourages you to slow down, relax, and fully immerse yourself in the tranquil haven you've created.